Pang 17 na natin sa Japan. Gawin mo. Kung ano tayo. And rest day lang muna ngayon. Siguro gala lang kami sa kabilang bayan. Sa Koshigaya. Mamol. Parang Lake Town Mall ata yun. Koshigaya Lake Town Mall. Ay mga vendo dito sa street. Yan, bakit ganun lang gawin natin. Tapos pancake, jiggly pancake. Yun, medyo pahinga lang muna ngayon kasi mag-iyakiniko kami mamaya. Maga uwi si Kuya ko eh. Banding muna. Chat siguro, tsaka medyo pagod rin lahat. Galing Disneyland, naubos lahat ng last namin. Tapos yun, bukas rin kasi Mount Fuji tayo DIY. And ngayon lalakad-lakad lang ako. Habang inintay ko sa mga gayos, check natin yung mga cherry blossom. Full bloom raw. Although medyo maulan ngayon. So, yun. Samahan niyo ako. So, yun. Full bloom na nga. Nga, sabi sa akin ng hipag ko na dalawang klase pala ng cherry blossom. Isang white, tsaka isang pink. So, ito yung cherry blossom dito. Around hindi ko lang pangalan lake. Siguro Koshigaya Lake. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Sa mga lipat dito sa Japan, sobrang peaceful. So, itong pwesto lang na to, or itong mga cherry blossoms, mga 3 to 5 minutes lang walk from the house. So, sobrang lapit. May mga nagpipicture na kahit umuulan. Oh my God. Kaya ako sa atas ng cherry blossom. This is bawal. Siguro nahulog lang. Sa long as di naman siya pinitas. Okay lang. Dami nag-cherry blossom sa isiing ngayon ng mga lokal. Maulan. Kasi after ng tag-ulan, yan, maglalagas na nga siya. So, mawawala na. Yun ang medyo kakaiba sa panahon ngayon kasi minsan ulan, minsan araw. So, di siya sabay-sabay nagpo-bloom. Kalit yung mga pananim nila. Ang mga maliliit na greenhouse. Sa view sa Japan, napaka-peaceful. Hanggang dito na lang i-end. Balik tayo doon sa maganda doon sa Pitulo kasi medyo malayo na. Ito pala end to end niya. Balik tayo doon sa may sa may tulay. Mata yung pwesto sa may tulay eh. Binidyoan ko yung ginamit ko sa reels. Balik na tayo. We're back at the start point ngayon. Tiyo tayo umakit kanina. Kabilang sailing na tayo. Ay, di pa natin nakita natin kanina. Naliligaw pa ako doon sa kabila. Ganda lang tingnan ng mga cherry blossoms na naglalagas sa peta. So, syempre, alam naman natin kapag naglagas na yun, it means na mawawala na yung flower niya. So, good and bad, I think. Ayan, tinatag tayo na simula. Tama nag-walking na yun. Mga kabataan. Kasi ngayon spring break ko last. Pagkapon sa Disneyland din, napakaraming tao. Ang estudyante. Spring break nila ng 1 week daw. Then after that, babalik na sila sa school. Masusunod na lang break yung summer, unlike sa Pilipinas na 2 month summer break. Sa kanila hiwalay. Isang spring tsaka isang summer break. Lake. Wow. Tulay ay ini.
せっかく 俺待ってるから
Ganda na tingnan. Sobra. Pa-peaceful. Nakakawala na stress. Balik na tayo. Alis na. Sino lang mamaya sa susunod na lugar. Ayan lang natin si tatay. Kulang dito. Papalamig. Dito naman view ng Sakura. Tanggal stress lang. Bira kasing ganito sa Pilipinas. Kasi sobrang ingay. Kaya lang tayo bago tayo bumalik doon. Wala to. Balik na tayo guys. Unaya, there's a movie, Unaya. Mario Galaxy movie. Ay, Pig Cafe yan, te?
Pig daw. Meron daw maliliit. Maliliit na ano.
Sigoy. Sigoy.
Hindi, lagi. Let down, cafe. Ito, relax lang. Maliliit mga
Starbucks, eh.
yung mga tumblers nila ngayon na Sakura. Ano ba yun?
Sour Spark.
Starbucks. Bakit yun? Pwede ba ito sila? O cold lang? 3.5 din ito. Magpa-pressure lang. Tsaka lasa.
Pati yung chopsticks, eh.
Ay, dahil. Chipstick ba ito?
Sakura motif. Akala ko Chinese garden, cheese garden pala. Wow! Ice cream!
Yun na yun. You like this mix or the chocolate only? Just chocolate. Ah? Just chocolate? Go when? Itong vanilla flavors din.
Ano lang ba? Ano ba flavor to?
Ano?
Bumabasa.
Akubato.
Ha?
Akubato. Ewan ko. Open na ito.
O sige, try ko, te. Mukhang chocolate naman yan. Eto, ano to? Milk? Shake?
Coffee float.
Ah, wag na. Baka sumakit ko.
Ito milkshake. Milk coffee shake.
Eto, matcha ba to?
Ano eh? Melon.
Ah, melon. Ay, eto na lang, te.
Ano to?
Okay. So, thank you very much.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Wait lang, the chocolate syrup is there. You want to put chocolate syrup, right? We're gonna put.
Yeah, you put
Wait
chocolate
lang,
syrup.
wait lang. Let me hold it, love. I'm taking video of you. Dali, sit down.
Oh my gosh.
Are you enjoying the ice cream?
Remove your face mask.
Also have chocolate syrup
Yung anak ko na yun na umigay na umigay dance. Na ano po nagbangga dun sa iyo.
What happened?
Ako lang. Ah, kape?
Walang syrup ko yan.
Kape siya, te.
Wala ang gapo.
Sophie pala siya.
Nangyayari ko natin yung video.
Ano katadaan doon? Hindi naman, hindi yan nasa tsaka ano nun.
Si Kawai.
Check lang.
Strawberry inspired. Ang panahon ng strawberry.
Kasi yung product ko. Kaya kung gawin kaya natin yung product.
Ano mo lang, kaya
Diba nila? Kailangan ko sa na-place mo. Mumura natin. Pero iba.
Bakit nga tayo mamaya na anchor? Yun lang. Yun lang sa magkaan. Mahara. Maharaja. Mahara. Scoop. Mga lang price.
Meron. Oh, saan na pa?
Ang isang lapad. So, nasa 3 plus.
3.
Memo.
Lakefront Outlet.
Parang ano? Parang
yung doon.
Mama Lin.
Yung mga sakura pin. Itong falls. Pupunta kami dun sa may GT Pancake dito sa Labasada. Parking lot area. Ito yung sinasabi mo na, ano?
Yan yung ulit.
Bread all you can. It's the big pancake. Oo.
Tapos na doon kanila menu.
Pixel there.
Naman kayong ano.
Sekimin.
And Mannings.
O, di si Kimin. Si Kimin yung kami sa ano.
Hindi,
Yun
joke
na
lang.
lang yung ano, yung itsura na.
Ano yung select 5 te?
Sino? Meron yun na, meron. Bakit ito? Sa Kimin. Ano yan eh, pambugnong. Ano mo, sipa pwede na kami yung dito dalawa. Pero ito na lang kami classic kung kasi yan, kasama na yung pangbugnong. Pag bibili mo, ano yun nun, 210. Ito kasama na siya dun. Oh, okay na. Pindot niya na. Hindi lang. Ayun, ano itong itim mo? Ano yun? Ano ito? Extra. Ano yung which one do you like? Wala bang pang-kid?
Wala.
Pang-kid? Aba, parang wala
Okay, how about
Okay na yun. Hindi na, pili kayo Ligorio.
Yun lang sa akin yung select 5.
Ito?
Mm.
Magyayakini ko nga tayo.
Ay, yakinin ko ba? Sige, yung ano lang. Classic lang, classic lang.
Ano yung gusto din yun?
Nga pala, yakinin ko nga pala mami.
I think we had to pay.
Isa-isa?
Magbayad na kayo ng inyo. Hindi. Ako na magbayad na ako. Ano ba? Tanisan sa akin mo. Tawalik kayo ng tikit-tikit. Namin pa.
Try mo pinto tayo isa pa.
Baka may tao sa likod.
Oo, diba?
Ay. Okay. Pwede. Apat tayo.
Apat, oh.
Uy, kano ba yun?
20.
Food was this for woman?
Cash. Pwede ba mag-cash? Kaya kunin ko na yung cash mga kapal. Badi, back tayo. Back mo. Ano na akong prepaid. Okay, bigyan mo yung cash ko kasi sayang yung sayang yung phone.
Pay-pay.
So we had to scan the QR. Do you need to scan the QR code?
Okay.
Ayun.
Yun na.
Look at the male. And look at the female.
Medium. Medium ka na lang daw. Medium. Yung tabang na yun. Medium. Ang puro na talaga na medium at least
Dashi, medium, richness, extra rich, no green onion. Of course, green onion tayo. Chassis, rice pork with
Medyo pa yung
try mo natin spicy lang.
ako medium lang.
Alam mas okay na noodles. Yung firm o yun hindi?
Ako, yung firm na lang yun.
Extra firm?
Matigas yan.
No, firm lang.
Yung firm na. Kasi yung daw ay ano sa'yo daw? Ikaw na. Tapos ka naman sa kailangan.
Swerte na ito kami na
Gusto minigay.
ang picture dito is walang pila. Dito sa may lake na Pasigaya. Kasi di mo wala masyadong foreign.
I have no ordering process. I like the kids doing Jesus. that. Like you're gonna go on this year like that, I guess.
こちらお待たせいたしました。
Pwede ba dito ng sideline?
Sideline ako.
Huwag yung inaamon siya.
Ubos ko yan. Ano bang sideline mo yan? Taga-ubos?
Worker,
Kala ko taga-ubos na ramen.
apply here. Accepted 24 hours a day.
Kasi ubusin mo talaga yung mga ramen dito. Try natin yung normal spicy lang.
Ano, it's okay to the baby.
Broth first. Tapos ang sabaw ng balot.
No?
Balot. Ito sa 280. Yan. Mga formula cars, 3,980. Ganda. For free to. 28,980 yan. Almost tatlong lapad. Oo. Kahit sa palibiyan nata ito. Almost libang lapad. Yoga. Mga new version. Ano yung perfume ito? Ito kasi na yung TikTok. Everything Minecraft Spring Sale. Hello. 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 Nandito na. Okay. Naya, look at the bag. It's 3,300 yen only.
The Minecraft.
Yeah. You like the bag?
20 Minecraft.
Yeah.
What's this?
I think
Because
you
we
can,
can file.
let's check what does it says.
It's many items.
I saw the Lego Minecraft na yan.
So that was it.
Have you seen the Lego Minecraft?
Yeah. Sword.
Yeah, how much?
It's a diamond sword.
How much? Check. Check
Look,
it.
look
Oh,
at this. Dad.
it's 1,100 yen. Do you want some?
Look at this cute bees, right?
Yeah. Do you want some?
Mom, Dad.
Bee. I got stung by the bee. Do you want that or no?
And look at this. These are zombies.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is this for the chicken jockey? Because it's sitting. Look, this is zombie. It should be a chicken jockey. Because it might be sitting. Oh yeah, it should be a chicken.
Do you want something in here? Naya, be careful ah.
It says everything Minecraft.
Yeah.
Because I like the soul touch.
You cannot use any.
Oh no, that's just light.
Naya, which gashapon do you want? Naya, can you check? You want something here? Gashapon? Ooh. Actually, in Lego, there's a Lego Minecraft. Have you seen it? The Lego Minecraft? I'll show you later. Do you want something?
There's an Enderman here. It can kill you. What's
Oh,
this?
Naya. There's a spring sale. Everything. I think everything. It's 20% off. There's a 20% discount. And then this one is 15%.
I'm gonna show you something. This is a glass, but it's not.
It's 3,344 only.
Look at this.
Yeah,
I know this. Look at this. There's also an old version of that. Gosh, why is this
Naya, there's a Minecraft treasure chest.
I know that.
No, don't touch, don't touch.
Great for those creeper surprises.
Look at this.
Before you build,
Yeah.
sketch out your
You
structure.
can also.
Consider
Wait, what?
dimensions.
Nothing inside.
Oh.
You can put coins.
Your dream home, but in block
Also,
form.
you put Minecraft.
With the right
Yeah.
materials and a solid plan, you're ready to build anything. Grand castle. What will you create in your Minecraft?
Okay, there's nothing inside.
Ah, Naya, there's a Lego also here. Naya, look at the Legos.
Oh my
Right there,
god.
at the right side.
Oh my god, I love it.
Your shirt. Oh, it's 1,900 only. Do you want something? Do you want some shirt?
Where conditions prevent hostile mobs from spawning. Perfect for this season.
Glasses. That's pouch.
It's amazing. Amazing. Who would have put this in Japan?
What? Look at this, Naya. 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 Come here, Naya. Look at this. A, B, C, D.
Oh my gosh. You know what did you know
One
you
is
know
70 lang.
what's this? This is okay, no. That's so what is this deep?
It's your own ano, pouch.
Gosh, look at this. It's
Do not touch out. Do not touch. Naya.
this touch.
It's 500 yen only.
Wait, what? That's wait, so that's 6.
Yeah. You can collect everything.
Oh my gosh. So
This is
look,
440
this
yen.
8. Is this paper?
Is this a blind box?
Yeah, it's a blind box. Can I get this one? Yeah, this the one in line.
Do you want to pick one?
The one is not hanging. Yeah, I want one.
Which one?
I like this one.
Or how about this?
I want this one.
You hold it muna.
That's bedrock.
Or
Is
do you want that one instead?
I like this one. It's Java.
Wait, you hold muna.
Wait, is this Java? But okay, I need something different.
Maybe you could check others pa na you might want. What else do you want? How about like this instead na Nea, the rubber bands? How about the ballers, Nea? Don't open it ah. Don't open it.
It will now open.
Ano yun?
It will
Apron.
toothbrush. Oh my god. And what?
Do you want to buy something else or only that lang? Here comes the anime. Pero sa Ikebukuro rin pinakamalaking anime. So, pupunta tayo doon. Pag nagpunta tayo Ikebukuro. Ayan.
Go get na juice. Let's go, let's pay na. Mamalin. daw yun.
Iba, lalagay daw ba sa box?
Ah, may bayad.
Oo naman. Pag tinanong ko.
Pagkano?
Okay, bibili mo.
Ah, there's inside one na. There is none. Gusto mo pa ba ito? Meron ng something na suit. Like this one or not? Like this one or you gonna buy one?
Sabi mo man daw 500 lang yun. At least
Hindi na nga. Ay, itong green.
pang gift yan. Ano mo ka nawa? Mukha mo yan to. Ano, excited mo?
Masaya.
Masaya ka? Shopping on the Max. Girl.
Sana all.
Hindi ka na. Wala ka na.
Yan.
Check na. Bakit list?
Hello guys, today I'm unboxing this Minecraft Echo Bag. I'm struggling to get this.
So let's check what's inside.
What's that?
Let me see. Can you show it here? The camera, show it first. The picture of the box.
What's that?
This is
Alarm clock.
an alarm clock.
Oh, you did that.
So what's inside?
Wow.
The Minecraft alarm clock, and then
Oh,
I got this glass clock, which is
you show it here.
yeah, this is a glass over there. That's a glass clock.
Ah, grass blocks.
And
Let me see.
you can open those scissors.
Pencil case.
Is that a pencil case or lunch box?
Yeah, I like the pencil case.
Let me
And what
see.
is this?
Don't mind that. That's fine.
Yeah, it's nine in there.
Is it nice?
Oh, you got many
How about
inside
here?
the bag.
What's inside here?
Oh,
Oh, let me see.
The
it's
keychain. You
it's
show
an
it to the.
Enderman keychain.
What's that? What's that?
That's an Enderman keychain.
Oh, that looks nice.
And then what else?
And then, yeah, that's all.
Oh, what's that?
What's that?
Let me see. Can you show me the box?
That's a blind lock.
Blind box.
Ah. Of a toy.
Yeah.
Oh, toy.
Sadly, it's not really.
Okay. Oh my God, it's another keychain.
Keychain.
Can you see? What's that?
That's a stone pickup.
Let me see. What's that stone pickup? Can you show it here? Sa camera, dali.
Actually, iron pickaxe is more lighter than stone.
So it doesn't like, look like real?
So, I don't know what are the differences anyways.
Okay, can you show them the bag? Let me see.
Anyways, these are items, and this is this more crafting table, which, yeah, this is TNT and minecart, and then this is the Minecraft TNT, and then the character is Steve.
This Steve. That's Steve?
Yeah, that's Steve.
Okay, is that all?
Yeah.
You happy?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Where did you buy that?
I bought it at Everything Minecraft,
Where?
Tokyo, Japan.
Oh, Lake Town.
What?
Lake Town.
Yeah, it's Lake Town.
Okay.
Bye.
guys.